Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss Taylor's series and its a formula. So, what is a Taylor series? What is a formula in this session we discuss here? Now, let me start Taylor series formula. When you think about the Taylor series, it is nothing but a series of some numbers. It is a series of some expansions, some functions. It is series of some functions. Means you have to given, or you know very well. Suppose series of sin x, series of cos x, series of tan x, series of exponential function e to the power x, series of logarithmic function 1 log of 1 plus x, etc. You have to find by using this Taylor series. And also Taylor series, it is by using Taylor series we have to also define Maclaurin series also. Now let me start what is the actual Taylor series theorem, or what is the statement of Taylor series. Now I am going to discuss here Taylor series statement. Now let me start. If you have to given, the statement is what is that: if f of x plus h, it is a function containing, or it is a given function containing h. So be a given function, I am writing be a given function of h which can be expanded into convergent series, which can be expanded into convergent series of positive ascending integral powers of h, of positive ascending integral powers of h, then f of x plus h can be defined as f of x plus h can be defined as, or this is expansion as given now in this way, f of x plus h into f dash of h plus h square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of x. Means f double dash of x is here, that is second derivative of f of x, f double dash of x, plus next term is h cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of x, plus and so on guys, plus and so on. You will have to getting h raised to n upon n factorial into f double or fn of x is there. So it is a clearly you will have to given here, the statement is f of x plus h is equal to f of x plus h into f dash of x plus h square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of x, plus and so on h raised to n divided by n factorial fn of x. So this is ascending positive integral powers of h. So we call this is Taylor's series formula. Now we have to prove this formula. So how will it be proved? Let's see. How will it be proved? Let's see. So let I am taking here, let f of x plus h is what is that here, means f of x plus h be a function of h and which can be expanded into integral powers of h. So I am writing again f of x plus h be given function of h which can be expanded into ascending, means I am writing here into positive ascending powers of positive ascending integral powers of h, integral powers of h. Then I am writing in the proof f of x plus h as f of x plus h can be written as, this is a naught plus a1 into h, I am writing here a1 into h plus a2 into h square plus a cube into h cube is a3 into h cube plus next term a4 into h raised to 4 plus and so on. So clearly here in this statement, guys, you see the statement f of x plus h is equal to f of x plus h into f dash of x into h square upon 2 factorial f double dash of x. So what is f of x, what is f dash of x, what is f double dash of x? Guys, f of x is a given and f dash of x means derivative of f of x. F double dash of x means double derivative of f of x. F triple dash of x means triple derivative of f of x. And I am taking here f of x plus h be a powers of h and taking integral ascending powers of, means we have to taking positive ascending powers of h. So now in this way we defined here this function. For consideration we have to mark as equation 1. Now next step we have to here differentiating. We have to prove this. We have to prove this statement. So how to prove this? Differentiating with respect to x successively. Differentiating with respect to h successively. So how it will be get differentiating? F of x plus h is a differentiation. First time differentiation is f dash of x plus h, and that is equal to. So a naught, it is term constant, that's why it's a differentiation 0 plus a1 into h. H differentiation with respect to h is what is that? 1 is there, plus a2 into h square, that is a 2h, plus a3 into h cube differentiation with respect to h, that is a 3h square, plus a4 into h raised to 4 differentiation 4h cube plus and so on. For consideration, this is called as equation number 2nd. This is called as equation number 2nd. Now again we have to differentiating, you have to get if f of x is now in this way. Also I am writing if f of x plus h, I am defining here what is f of x plus h. Here a naught plus a1 into h plus a2 into h square plus a3 into h cube plus a4 into h raised to 4 plus and so on. This is infinite series called equation number 1. Differentiate with respect to h successively. Differentiate with respect to h successively. So what will get becomes here. So I am writing here differentiate with respect to h we get, or I am writing here differentiate with respect to h successively, guys. It is very important. Successively. Right, and if you have to taking differentiate with respect to x, what is the first order derivative? F of x plus h, that is equal to, guys, this is a naught differentiation 0 plus a1 into h differentiation is only a1 because h derivative is 1 plus second differentiation, what is that? How it will be right? a2 into h square. What is the differentiation of h square? What is the differentiation of h square? Means here a2 into 2h is there, plus next differentiation a3 into 3h square, plus next differentiation a4 into 4h cube plus and so on. For consideration we have to mark this equation as second equation. Again differentiating, what we will get? F double dash of x plus h. F double dash of x plus h, it can be written as it is a a1 into, now a1 is a constant is there, so its a derivative is 0. So that's why here again 0 plus a2 into 2h differentiation is a2 into 2 plus a3 into differentiation of 3h square is becomes 6h plus a4 into 4h cube differentiation is a 12h square plus and so on. For consideration, this is your equation number 3rd. Again we have to differentiating, we'll get f triple dash of x plus h, guys, and that is equal to, now here which term is a constant? Now this term is a constant, a2 into 2, that term is a constant, differentiation is a 0, and here a3 into 6h differentiation is only 6 plus a4 into 12h square. So I am writing a4 into 12h square, it becomes 24h plus and so on. For consideration we have to call that is equation number 4. We call this is equation number 4. This is expansion of f of x plus h successively and so on. I am writing here and so on. So putting h is equal to, guys, 0. H is equal to 0 in above or in equations. I am writing here in equations 1, 2, 3 and 4. So what will you have to getting? F dash of x means here clearly f of x is equal to, what is that? If you have to differentiate, if you have to take h is 0, then f of x is a naught. Then you tell me f double dash of or f dash of x. F dash of x means what you will have to getting f dash of x. Putting h is equal to 0, here is only a1. Next, f double dash of x, what we will have to getting here? That is a 2 into a2, guys, 2 into a2. So I am writing 2 as 2 factorial into a2. If again I am writing here f triple dash of x, after taking h is equal to 0, what we will have to getting here? a3 into 3 factorial means I am writing 3 factorial into a3. So therefore that implies it will get f of x means it will get a naught means what is that here? F of x. Second equation you will have to getting here f dash of x means I am writing here a1 is equal to f of f dash of x. A1 is equal to f dash of x. So therefore third equation is what is that? a2 is equal to, that is 1 upon 2 factorial into f double dash of x. That implies a3 is equal to 1 upon 3 factorial into f triple dash of x. Now we have to substituting this value. So I am writing again here substituting in or substituting that a naught, a1, a2, a3 in equation 1. Substituting in equation 1 we get you know very well what is equation number 1. I am writing here therefore equation 1 as this is f of x plus h, that is equal to, this is a naught plus a1 into h plus a2 into h square divided by 2 factorial plus, so this is not a 2 factorial, guys, because equation 1 is only a2 into h square, plus a3 into h cube plus a4 into h raised to 4 and so on. So putting the values of a naught, is what is that here? Value of a naught is only f of x plus value of a1 is h into f dash of x plus value of a2 is here h square divided by here 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus value of a3 is 1 upon 3 factorial means I am writing here h cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of x plus and so on. If you are to substituting here the next value h raised to n divided by here n factorial into fn of x plus and so on. So therefore clearly you will have to getting here after substituting the value of a0, a1, a2, a3. So clearly you have to getting that f of x plus h, that is equal to, formula becomes, I am writing once again, f of x plus h into f dash of x plus h square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus h cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of x plus and so on. We get infinite series h raised to n upon n factorial into fn of x plus and so on. So in this way we have to getting the Taylor series expansion of f of x plus h in ascending powers of h, So this is known as Taylor series expansion. Taylor's series. Now putting here, also I am taking some results are there. So putting x is equal to here a and h is equal to x minus a in above series. So what we will get if we are to substituting this in above series, we get Taylor series in powers of x minus a. We get Taylor series in powers of a, in powers of what is that here, x minus a, as we will have to getting this power series as f of x is equal to that is f of a. If you have to substituting x is a and h is x minus a, so therefore this is f of a plus x minus a into f dash of a. I am writing here x minus a into f dash of a plus x minus a bracket square upon 2 factorial into f double dash of a plus x minus a bracket cube upon 3 factorial into f triple dash of a plus and so on. We'll get this infinite series. Now this series is known as, this is ascending powers of x minus a. Now to express the function in ascending powers of x, express h in terms of x. Now simply here you have to note that that is a simply, if you have to express the function in, to express the function in ascending powers of x, express h in terms of x, So simply guys, and I hope you have to understood this very well. What is the Taylor's formula? What is the expansion of Taylor series in terms of f of x in terms of x minus a, or means in powers of x minus a? You will have to getting very clearly guys. So after taking this Taylor series formula, we have to prove the Taylor series formula for some function. Now let me start some example regarding with the Taylor series formula. Suppose you have to prove the Taylor series for the expansion of f of mx is equal to, so prove for, I am writing here for example, prove that f of mx is equal to, that is f of x plus m minus 1 into x into f dash of x plus next term is what is that, m minus 1 whole square upon 2 factorial into x square into f double dash of x plus and so on. We have to prove this for example. Now let me take how to prove this statement, by using Taylor's series. Okay, so let's see what is the proof of the given statement. So proof, let's see, let f of mx is given as, let f of mx is equal to, that is I am writing here, you are adjusting the term now in this way, this f of mx minus x plus x. We have to take extra term and subtract this same term, so this can be written as, this is f of x plus m minus 1 into x, f of x plus m minus 1 into x. Now by using Taylor series expansion, so I am writing here simply by using Taylor series expansion. by using Taylor series expansion. So what we will get here, f of x plus h, you know the Taylor series expansion in terms of h, f of x plus h is equal to that is f of x plus h into f dash of x plus h square divided by 2 factorial into f double dash of x plus and h cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of x plus and so on is there. So putting here, simply you have to putting h is equal to m minus 1 into x, m minus 1 into x. Clearly you know that this is nothing but f of x plus h. We have to compare this f of x plus h so that h is equal to m minus 1 into what is that here, x. So therefore putting h is equal to m minus 1 into x in above formula or in above series, we get as f of x, we get as f of x plus m minus 1, f of x plus m minus 1 into x. So that is equal to, this is f of mx, that will get f of mx, and it is nothing but I am writing now in this way, f of h is what is that here guys, m minus 1 into x. So that will get f of x plus m minus 1 into x f dash of x plus m minus 1 upon 2 factorial, that is it's a square, into x square f double dash of x plus h cube means m minus 1 bracket cube into x cube divided by 3 factorial into f triple dash of x plus and so on. So you know guys very well, therefore f of x plus m minus 1 into x, and after simplifying this will get, here is only f of mx is there, f of mx is equal to, you are to getting here f of x plus m minus 1 into x into f dash of x plus m minus 1 whole square divided by 2 factorial into x square f double dash of x plus m minus 1 bracket cube divided by 3 factorial into x cube f triple dash of x plus and so on. So will you have to get this series expansion of f of mx, and by using the Taylor series expansion we proved this statement, as now. So we call, hence the proof is there. So I am writing hence proved. I hope you have to understand very well what is a Taylor series formula and how to prove the Taylor series formula in some example is there. So Taylor series formula in powers of x is what, Taylor series formula in powers of x minus a is what. Understood this guys? I hope you have to enjoying this Taylor series expansion very well and understood this very easily. Thank you.